Garden lamps play a crucial role in transforming your outdoor space into a captivating and inviting sanctuary. These luminous fixtures not only illuminate your garden but also add a touch of elegance and ambience to the surroundings. We will explore the beauty and functionality of garden lamps along with some creative ideas to enhance your garden's nighttime allure. Garden lamps are more than just a practical source of light. They are decorative elements that enhance the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space. Here are a few reasons why garden lamps are a valuable addition to your garden. Ambience. Garden lamps create a magical atmosphere that brings your garden to life after dark. The soft glow and warm light create a cozy and inviting ambience, making it an ideal place to relax, entertain, or enjoy a romantic evening. Visual interest. Garden lamps themselves can be a beautiful focal point in your garden during the day. From classic lamppost designs to contemporary lanterns, there is a wide variety of styles to choose from, allowing you to find the perfect match for your garden's aesthetic. Safety and security. In addition to their visual appeal, garden lamps also provide safety and security by illuminating pathways, steps, and entrances. Well-placed lamps enhance visibility, preventing accidents and providing peace of mind. Solar-powered lamps. Embrace eco-friendly lighting solution by opting for solar-powered garden lamps. These lamps absorb sunlight during the day and automatically illuminate your garden at night, saving energy and reducing your carbon footprint. Lantern and candle holder. Add a touch of charm and nostalgia with lantern and candle holders. Place them on tables, hang them from branches, or line them along pathways to create a romantic and intimate atmosphere. Spotlighting. Highlight specific garden features such as statues, fountains, or specimen plants with well-placed spotlights. This technique adds drama and creates focal points, drawing attention to the most captivating elements of your garden. LED garden lamps. LED garden lamps are energy efficient and come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Choose from sleek modern design or vintage-inspired lanterns to suit your garden's style. In conclusion, garden lamps not only provide essential illumination but also enhance the overall charm and allure of your outdoor space. Whether you opt for solar-powered lamps, lanterns, spotlighting, or LED fixtures, garden lamps have the power to create an enchanting ambience that invites you to enjoy the beauty of your garden even after the sun sets. Choose the lamp style that best complements your garden's aesthetic and let the gentle glow of light transform your outdoor heaven into a captivating nighttime retreat.